Come test drive the 2022 IS. The IS is the compact luxury sedan offered by Lexus under Toyota. The IS fits the bill for sports-minded drivers looking for luxury in a compact design. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.